Good morning, students. In this class, I am going to discuss about forging process. So, in this class covers introduction of forging, process of forging, forging operations, and forging losses. What is forging? Forging is the oldest of the mechanical working, having its origin with primitive blacksmith at Metal Age times. It is a process in which the desired shape and size of an object is obtained through the plastic deformation of the metal of the object. It is performed by hammering or pressing the workpiece that is to be brought into a specific shape and size. The forging is classified into two types. One is hot forging and another one is cold forging. What is hot forging? When the forging is performed on the metal above the recrystallization temperature, it is called hot forging. Examples: engine components like connecting rod, crankshaft, camshaft, etc. are produced by hot forging. Cold forging: when the forging is performed on the metal below the recrystallization temperature, it is called cold forging. Examples: components like bolt heads, nails, rivets, etc. are produced by cold forging. Then we are moving to the methods of forging. This can be classified into so many types: hand or smith forging, drop forging, press forging, and then machine forging or offset forging, and then roll forging. What is hand or smith forging? If the metal is heated in a smithy and forged using tools manually or using hand, then this type of forging is known as hand forging or manual forging. See, the hand or smith forging is shown in the figure number 1. Okay, what is drop forging? Drop forging utilizes a closed impression die to obtain the desired shape of the component. This is shown in the figure. Here, the shaping is done by the repeated hammering given to the material in the die cavity. The equipment used for delivering the blows are called drop hammers. The drop forging die consists of two halves. The lower half of the die is fixed to the anvil of the machine, while the upper half is fixed to the ram. The heated stock is kept in the lower die while the ram delivers 4 to 5 blows on the metal. So drop forging is used where large quantities of certain shaped component have to be made. The typical products obtained in drop forging are crank, crankshaft, connecting rod, wrench, crane hook, etc. The next, press forging. Press forging is similar to drop forging, has also the forging dies, which is shown in the middle of the figure. In press forging, the metal is shaped not by means of series of blows as in drop forging, but by means of a single continuous squeezing action. This squeezing is obtained by means of hydraulic presses. This method is used for producing very heavy forgings. Next, machine forging or offset forging. Unlike the drop or press forging where the material is drawn out, in a machine forging, the material is only offset to get the desired shape. The heated bar stock is held between two dies and protruding end is hammered using another die. In offset forging, the cross section of the metal is increased with the corresponding reduction in its length. This method is used for making gear blanks, shafts, axles, and similar parts. Roll forging. Roll forging is used to draw out sections of bar stock, that is reducing the cross section and it increasing the length. Special roll forging machines with dies of decreasing cross sections are used. So these are all the types of or methods of forging process. Then we may move to the forging operations. There are so many operations are done by the forging process. Upsetting, drawing out, setting down, bending, punching, drifting, and squeezing. What is upsetting? Heating the bar and apply the pressure axially at the two ends. So due to the upsetting process, the cross sectional of the given object is increases. Drawing out. What is drawing out? Heating the bar and apply the pressure in transverse direction. So due to this, the length of the given product is increases. Setting down. Process of forming a neck portion is called setting down. What is bending? Holding between two fixtures and striking with hammer. So due to this action, the bending of the object is formed. Punching. Punching is nothing but to producing the holes with the help of punch. Drifting. Increasing the diameter of punched hole with the drift. Squeezing. Bringing in desired shape in dies. So these are all the various operations performed by the forging process. Thank you.